In the Word Builder series, the student will work to combine phonetic sounds to decode words, build his fine motor skills, improve his spelling, and build fluency by reading story booklets aloud in class. Parental interaction is essential when the child is reading a word list aloud each day. The student will complete 4 pages in his booklet every day. In Word Builder's Booklet W, the student will learn to read and decode words that have the long O and short OO sounds. Throughout this booklet, you may see unusual markings on some words. These markings indicate a helpful hint to decode and read these words correctly. Located on the front inside cover is a reference chart to help you and your child better understand the hint markings on the word. The words on the word list that are not located in the review box are the main focus of this book's concept. Here, the child will sound out the word to work on decoding. The student needs to repeat each word 3 times. Each time, he should try to read it faster than the time before. OE makes the long O sound, as in open or foe. The OE word should be read like this: toe. Toe. OW makes the long O sound, as in open or low. The OW word should be read like this: throw, throw. OO can make a short sound, as in look or books. Short word should be read like this: good, good. There are some words that are exceptions, like the word put. The exception word should be read like this: pull, pull. Nonsense words will be seen on word lists throughout this series. Nonsense words are an excellent way to practice the decoding technique. While these are not real words, they are still just as important to practice as the rest of the word list. Have the student sound out each letter and try to read the word faster each time. The nonsense word should be read like this: zroke, zroke. On the word list, have the student sound out each letter and say the word. Always do the words located in the review box first. The review word should be read like this: party, party. On this activity, the student will say each group of words and then write the correct word under the correct picture in that row. Here, the student would read aloud the first group of 3 words. For each word, the student will find the matching picture in that row. Once he finds the correct picture, he should write the matching word underneath the picture and cross out the used word. In this activity, the student will identify the picture, circle the correct spelling, and write it underneath. The child should ask himself which is the correct spelling for the picture. Once he decides which is correct, he should circle the correct spelling and write the word underneath. Here, the student will work on fine motor development. Have the student trace the word while saying it and then write it on his own. In this activity, the student will work on fine motor while also practicing the looking ahead technique. When decoding words and reading in general, being able to look ahead is what leads to an exceptional fluency level. Here, the student will trace through the maze to connect the pictures. After each booklet is completed, there will be a classwork test done at your Gideon Center with a Gideon instructor to determine mastery so the student may move on to the next booklet. The student must read the word list fluently, understand the book's concepts, recognize vocabulary words, and make 5 or less mistakes in order to pass. For any further questions or explanations, please contact your Gideon instructor.